You search for how to buy shares of Kinnevik AB, and this short guide will show the practical steps. Kinnevik is a Swedish investment company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker KINVA.ST. This is an educational video, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an identity document, and then add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker KINVA.ST to locate Kinnevik AB. Choose the matching listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's Kinnevik AB. Make sure the exchange is shown as CBOE EU and the ticker reads KINVA.ST before proceeding. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and double-check the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the order goes through, your Kinnevik position will appear in your portfolio view. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.